if we're kicking it over to a boom.
Can I spit a rhyme?
Go ahead.
Give me a beat. Yo. Yo. Check. Yo. Yeah. Yo. As I jot my thoughts, I levitate. Puff on this marijuana and enter a stage of featherweight. You see, I jot my feelings so I can medicate. Escape to a place where I can dedicate my rhymes. My mind slips into a stage of hate and crime. I'm constantly feeding my treaties, retreating back to a time where I was free from my demons. But now I'm sleeping, no creeping, some sleeping, yo. But if I come back to what's reality, I'll end up on my face again, another casualty. Stabbed in the back just like a best friend caught in the yak, and my Mac will attack, in fact.
Tell me, why was I born? Some people see it change, others remain the same. Some will live their life under the gun. Some see the wrong as sin. Some say the end is near. Say it's a hopeless fight, but I say I got to try.